Have they already chosen your furniture or doors as their home? In today's video, you'll learn how to get rid of termites naturally and with little effort. The termite is a type of pest that can even walk in on you in no time. This little bug, which at first glance seems harmless, can cause great damage in your life. And this damage isn't only in the headache you get when you have them as guests at home, but also in the damage they cause to furniture and wood in general. There are insecticides to kill them, but these chemicals can be aggressive to human health and to pets. And like I said, there are some ways to prevent the little dust they leave behind from showing up in the corners of your home. Today, you'll learn how to use orange essential oil to help you with this task. It contains in its active ingredient D-limonene, a substance that acts as a natural insecticide. For this reason, it kills termites, because it's easily absorbed by the wood, and when the termites feed on it, they die. Best of all, orange essential oil is harmless to humans and pets, and doesn't cause allergic reactions. You can buy orange essential oil at health food stores and online stores. When buying, make sure that the product has D-limonene in its composition. To use orange oil to kill termites, simply dilute a little oil in water or liquid wax or other cleaning agents. Then apply it to the areas you want to protect, such as wooden floors, baseboards, doors, and wooden furniture. Orange essential oil not only prevents termite colonies, but also gives your home a very pleasant and refreshing smell. Remember, this tip will help you if it's a small termite infestation. However, if it's a large focus, the oil will help, but not as effectively. In this case, we recommend hiring a specialized company. If you can't find orange essential oil, you can make it yourself. Write down the ingredients: orange peel, grain alcohol, or vodka. Tip: vodka is tasteless and therefore best for making the oil, as it doesn't diminish or remove the scent of the orange. Now remove the peel of the orange, the part of the fruit that contains the highest concentration of limonene. You can peel the orange with a knife and then grate the thickest part on a grater. Put the grated orange in a sterilized glass jar and add the grain alcohol or vodka. Cover the jar tightly and let it sit in a dark place for 60 days, 2 months, shaking it once or twice a week. After this time, strain the solution, remove the residue of the bark, and use the liquid. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.